How to view and react to notifications in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be showing you on how to view and react to notifications in Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. Now, click the bell icon in the top right corner to access your notifications. Scroll through your notifications to see updates such as likes, comments, and friend requests. Now, tap on a notification to see more details or to view the post. To respond, click the thumbs up, heart, or other reaction icons under the post or comment on the post. And you can also share the post directly from the notification. That's it. You can now easily view and engage with notifications in Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.